Hello, all of you. Welcome to this session for strategy for exam preparation. You all have seen a lot of motivation from my side for earlier exams in the live videos in the YouTube, but we are taking it on Zoom to exactly know what are your questions so that we can respond them well. Okay. Thank you so much for filling up the form and joining this Zoom meet. Okay. So we will go in a proper strategy and crisp and clear. You will get information in the coming half an hour. Okay. Now, as the results are out, whatever, like CA results are out, and we are seeing what is the position. Okay, this video is going to be helpful for all. Many times I make specific videos for final students, for foundation students, but this is very important for all of you who are writing professional exams, CA or CMA. Okay. Now, very quickly go and grab a notepad and pen as you need to write few things. Okay. And let me know the response also later, not now. Half an hour stop, which I'm doing it for all of you. Is it helpful to you or not? Okay. Now, as we begin with this, very important. I hope you all are ready with the notepad and pen. Just go with the strategy, what I'm saying, half an hour and see the difference. Okay. Pick up your notepad. You need not share it with me. You need not share it with anyone else. But write again, what is your goal? Why do you want to do CA? Write down. Literally, I'm telling you this, my teachers have done, and I'm passing on this Saturday evening, rather than taking my routine class when we are sparing the time for this. Let us make sure that we all work very well together. Okay. So write down the very first question. What is my goal? Second, at least, what is my goal? First, be clear. What is my goal? And be very crystal clear. I want to have this degree. I want to earn monthly this much. I want to have Kia car. I want to have a 4-bedroom hall kitchen or a duplex bungalow at Jubilee Hills or whatever it is, wherever you are staying. What is your goal? What do you want in your life? Very, just write down all the questions, then I'll not speak continuously so that you will get time. Okay. So, what do you want in life and what is your goal? Third, very important question is, why do you want to do CA? Is it some emotional pressure from your parents? Or is it some ego कि घर में सब CA है? Or is it some conflict or what? Why do you want to do CA or CMA? Reason, crystal clear reason I want. And the last, fourth and the last question is, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? It is right now 2021. Okay. So where do you want to see yourself 5 years from now? Write it down. Write down. Yeah, 5 minutes I'm here only, but you write down. Peacefully. Any trouble, use the chat box, please. Yeah, all your questions will be answered once you finish this. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, shall I repeat the first two questions? I'll write it also if you want. Doesn't take much time. What is my goal? What is my goal? That's the first question. What do I want in my life? What do I want in my life? Second question. Very quickly, I'll directly come to your questions. One group, two group planner, but this 5 minutes is necessary. This second question. What do I want in my life? Third question. Why do you want to do CA or CMA or whatever professional exams you write? And the last one is very important question. Where do you see yourself after 5 years? Where do you see yourself after 5 years? Very, very important questions to be answered by all of you. This will give you a perfect dose of motivation. Likho. Any doubts are there, please feel free to use chat box. And even if recording is going on, this is a Zoom meet specially to bring you all back on track. And I was getting so many calls and messages, so I thought let me take it all together. So you can unmute and speak, you can put it. 2 minutes I'll keep quiet so that you can focus and write. When you finish, tell me. Don't feel scared. I'm not going to ask you to read out your answers. Done? Yes. So now have you written what is your goal in life? I want to get a good education, or I want to do very good for my family or for my society, or I want to earn a lot. Almost like first and second questions will overlap. Have you recollected your goal? So many of you are right now in final, and this is the exact time when you go out of the track. Ma'am, we studied so well in foundation. We did so well in both the groups of CA Inter. Then 2.5 years of articleship, we did everything else except studies. It's a fact. Huh? And then so many things now in the internship, in the corporate audits, you have seen practical side. So now this theory looks little boring. क्या करेंगे ये सब करके? There is lot of demotivation in the atmosphere also. So now this is the right time to hold on your goal. You have to add that two word in front of you, right? CA Dipti Chheda, heads are turning. We say the most dignified profession is doctors, of course, because they are lifesavers. But then after that, this is one of the beautiful professions, so you cannot give up. So are you focused? You want to become a CA? Is that in your list? What you want in your life, you have written. I want a good diamond ring. I want that कौन सा बाइक चलाते हैं सब बुलेट बाइक. I want a duplex bungalow in Jubilee Hills, as I said. Something like that you all have written. I want, I want, I want. Then for that want, you need to have degree. You need to have the required skill. And that's why you are in this profession. See, it's absolutely okay to 10 times go off track. No problem, no problem. It is your mind. आपकी बात नहीं सुनेगा तो किसकी बात सुनेगा? If it doesn't listen to you, okay. Ma'am, your motivation was very good on Saturday. I made a plan. I'm coming to the planning group. All answers I'll give. So we did well. And then after 8-10 days, again that same. So first thing, the very 10 minutes we have just begun this session. Are you clear and confident that what do you want in your life? What is your goal? And why do you want to do CA? Are you doing it for some very emotional reason for your parents and all? Are you doing it just for the sake in the family? Everyone is CA and I want to carry on the legacy. Or are you doing it for yourself? Are you having that passion? नहीं मुझे accounts पसंद है या I like auditing. But rest of the subjects I somehow managed. Like for me it was law. I somehow managed. But taxation is what, like, it is very good for me. I like that non-resident taxation for finance students, for inter students, we like that topic called deductions, like that. Do you have that passion for learning? Right? So then that's the reason why you are doing CA. And let others say anything, you all are making your story. So come back, stay focused. Right now, the results are out in exactly 2 months, almost 2.5 months to go for your exam. So come back to that focus that you are going to make the best use of this, I'm telling you. And now, straight to all these pointers are clear, or while writing, if you have any doubt, please use the chat box so that I am going on reading that and I'm communicating to you. Otherwise, now straight I will come that it is very clear that you are not going to leave CA. I got at least 3 to 4 questions from yesterday. That's why in my WhatsApp message also I had put, if you are leaving CA, what is the option? You will start working in corporates because you have cleared your inter, you have some experience, and you will decide on going for some MBA and some courses like that. You will do well. Chalo अच्छा हुआ छोड़ दिया. At least I started with some good package, 3.5, 4 lakh, tuck. Up to a limit, it will grow. After that, stagnant. Literally, I have seen students who leave CA inter or CA final. After 2-3 years, so they are going smooth with their other career, MBA and all that, and PhD and all. After that, again back to the same. Where do you see yourself then? And then literally they are coming back, ma'am, I am doing well in corporates, but I am not getting the desired promotions. I am not getting the desired, that dignified work because I am not having degree. My juniors who don't know so much of experience. I've seen students not having CA final ka degree, but then they know auditing work, they know all the finalization work till the valuation, everything they do in their office. And they are an expert in that. So after 7, 8 years, I've literally seen after 40 students turning back and coming again to the profession. Do you agree with what I'm saying? It's not that you are listening and I'm saying, this is a two-way communication. If you have any doubt or if you have any conflict, absolutely open. You know my nature. I am ready to learn from this super energetic generation. So first question, have we completed in today's this strategy preparation program that you are not going to leave CA? And now when some of you may be feeling that if we decide to do CA, ma'am, already 4 attempts are over, 2018 say kar rahi hu. Second question, the next question which we have discussed in the morning in the WhatsApp is that how does it matter how many attempts you have taken? See, it's not wrong. There are students who have got amazing result from foundation. Inter, they have cleared in 2 groups together. Final, they have cleared 2 groups together. And abhi articleship is not over and they have completed their degree. That is a strategy. I can say that is a category, you can say. Fine. If you are in that, go with that. If you are in other category, it does matter how many attempts you are taking for 1 or 2 years post qualification. I'm telling you, 100% confirmed from, I am into teaching last 21 years, but I've confirmed with so many corporates, so many HRs. After 1 or 2 years of job, it's your degree, CA, your caliber, your smartness to deal with the pressure and with your how well you are taking instructions from your senior, how well you are able to get work done from your juniors, and you grow ahead. Yes or no? So that you have already learned in your internship. Whatever type of office you work in, but you will have some kind of the politics and all and this and that trouble going on. So you already know that, then only for the sake of degree, please don't leave. What is the fees of foundation, inter and final? That is the yearly fees of so many other courses. Some MBA courses, some designing courses, 4 years course, 2 years course, 24 lakhs, 30 lakhs. And the question is, when am I going to recover this money? So in 3 lakhs below, so you will become full-fledged CA. That's the uppermost side I'm saying. Registration, coaching, conveyance, everything. Then we need to value this profession. Literally, I'm saying, I don't go by any stories around me. Right now, last 1.5 years, I want to share my experience. There are no students teaching to koi matlab hi nahi hai karke and this and that and blah blah. See, this is today I'm literally talking from my heart. Sitting on this chair, nothing left and right. But I am telling you, God's grace, we are the teachers who want to do, and there are the students who want to learn, and we are doing too good. God's grace. So then it is upon your way of looking at the situation. So some of you right now attending with me, I know your results. That suppose you have got already 2-3 attempts are over. It will matter hardly for 1 or 2 years post qualification. Afterwards, you will be at par. And literally, students who cleared 2 groups and they called me, I said, hearty congratulations. Give lot of wishes to your parents. They must be the most happy as this. Now, what is the strategy? Ma'am, layman is not asking, Deepti ma'am, you are our teacher. You are also not asking how many marks I got. I said, doesn't matter, dear. You have added the word CA in front. You deserve. Take a break, enjoy, and enjoy this success. So how does it matter? Tell me. I told you there is that different category of the rank holders and who do the CA within article. If you are into that and if you are able to take that and you are able to perform well, really appreciate it. But if not, that doesn't mean that only those 10% rank holders are doing good as a CA. Have you asked दीप्ति मैम एनी टाइम, दीप्ति मैम आप पढ़ाते तो अच्छा है, हम अकाउंट्स आपसे पढ़े हैं, टैक्स आपसे पढ़े हैं, आपको कितने अटेम्प्ट लगे सीए बनने में? I hope my talk is making each and everything clear. So now everyone sitting with me right now in this Zoom meet, are you all clear that you are not at all negatively thinking and giving up this profession? See, there are some other exams which have yet not been held and results ki to baat hi nahi. At least you all wrote exam in July, your results are out and you are on track. Students who are writing NEET, they need to wait 12 months again to write NEET again, and then where they get admission, we don't know. Can you give some response in the chat box? All clear, not clear? Or am I covering the questions one by one? So now we are clear that you're not going to leave CA. I know so many of colleagues who have become CA in 10th attempt, in 17th attempt, and he's one of the best income tax raid case handling. He's an expert in his field. I know one of my colleagues, she became a chartered accountant in 10th attempt. She is an expert in hospital audits. Hospitals are working like corporates. I hope you all know. Group of doctors coming together, and then she takes up all the work of the hospitals, accounting, filing the return, and filing the returns of the doctors also now. That specialization she has done, and she's doing superb. I have cleared my CA. Always you have heard Dipti ma'am getting 95 marks in accounts. मैंने ही काफी बार बोला और क्यों ना बोलूं, मिले हैं मुझे. So now in CA final I have not cleared twice. Third attempt I cleared. Theory and aggregate, law and aggregate, both. So it's okay, but then doing very good in the life. So you are not going to leave CA. I'm literally telling you, 3-4 years if you leave, no, you will do well. You will immediately get a job of 30,000-40,000 per month with your inter degree and all, but again you will take U-turn. Next question now, whether you should go for 2 group or 1 group. Now actually that depends upon each and every student, to be very frank, but I want to say one thing, if you have got exemption 1 or 2, you should go for both the groups together. Okay? And that's the reason we always say, suppose you have written group 1 and waiting for the result, it is very essential that immediately after the exams, without waiting for the results, you start preparation for group 2. I hope you are getting. Suppose coming 2 months, you are preparing group 1, writing group 1. Take 1 week's break, ghoom lo, kha lo, pending pictures, Netflix, update lo, and after that, stick back to your studies. Right? Yeah, I'll cover that question also, how to prepare theory. Please wait. Stick back to your studies. And till the result is out, if you prepare group 2 well, worst case, if you don't clear group 1, then you can write both the groups together. So an honest question you ask to yourself, take a pause, write it in your notebook. 1 group you have written, you have not cleared, whichever. Are you ready for the second group already? Result aane tak. Have you completed group 2? If not, then go for 1 group. Have you got exemption? Surely go for both the groups. And don't go with that madness, ma'am, I will write group 1 properly and group 2 just 1 advanced accounting I will. Why then? That time also you give to group 1 and you get, I can show you the result of my students, Aanchal, Mohini, so many of them and myself, that okay, we have, koi interview mein puchhe to bol dena, no sir, I didn't clear 2 groups at a time. I wrote 1 by 1 group, but then I have got exemption in all the 4. And the mindset when you are studying in inter, when you are studying accounts, amalgamation, internal reconstruction, that is the same concept in final. In auditing, if you are doing SA 530 and all, that's the same thing, advanced level. Accounting standard 19 and 20, technical one, earning per share, lease, that is the same IFRS. So even if you are in inter, you're watching this video, are you studying only to clear the exam, or are you enjoying that knowledge so that your final also you do it in first attempt? वैसे पढ़ना. Am I making it clear? So now I hope your doubt is clear whether to write both groups, and any specific doubts are there, I'll tell you. Now, one group students, those who have written the exam and they are asking, these are my marks and how to do a general view, I will say. Rest, I am available on WhatsApp also. You all can note it, WhatsApp or Telegram. If you put me a voice note, I will be answering your query. So in the description, it is given to you my mail ID also. You can send your detailed query on mail. One-to-one also, I'll really help you with my experience. Now listen. If your marks are say 185, 187, one of the student 195. Now your journey is not 195 to 200. Your journey is 0 to 200. But you have got a confidence that your preparation method was correct. It was correct. So you need not take any coaching. You just need writing practice. कहीं टिक टिक करके रिवीजन किया होगा आपने. Am I right? And kahin ask, I don't know how you're noting down this running points or not. Ask this question to yourself. When you have got 178, 185, 195, did you attempt 100% paper? If your answer is no, again ask yourself, the 10-15 marks which you left, were you not knowing it? मतलब आपको नहीं आता था, शायद आपने वो चैप्टर छोड़ दिया था, or it was the time problem. Then we have a solution for both. First one, time issue. That means you need to now write more and practice. Put a stopwatch and pick up one problem and solve it. It works. When you use stopwatch and start writing duration, it goes in your subconscious mind. I took ad-less ka business ad ka problem, I took 20 minutes, then 17 minutes, then 13 minutes, then 10 minutes. You do it. Another reason, ma'am, law में सब पढ़ के गया था, final में I left FERA. FERA is I think now FEMA. Huh? So I'm just saying, don't go by my words of the. So ma'am वो एक छोड़ के गया था. Now I agree there are 8 subjects to be studied, or those who are writing one group also 4. In that some subject, some topic is there, जो सिर में जाता ही नहीं. Like in international taxation, GAR. However times you read, that language is same. अब करना क्या है topic का? What you should do, write it down now. Use reverse method. Reverse method. If some topic is appearing to you very tough, can you go by the reverse method? What is the reverse method? That is, you start reading the question answers of the FERA. See, now when you reach final and all, you are very clear. Okay, what are the subject, what are the notes and all. So you must be having some handouts, some coaching institutes material or CA material, past exams and all. So website pe bhi available hai. So suppose you are having FERA's material, instead of reading introduction and chapters and pointers, can you directly read question answers? You will enjoy. This is a superb technique. I have told many times, applied by student, and it works superb for theory. Theory paper ko aap, just start reading it from question answers. For that, one thing I want to say, write down, to-do list mein likho, last 4 exams, RTPs, revision test papers, MTPs, and question answers. This should be there on your table printed out. I would not suggest, dear you students, to use PDFs. No, please, that is also one of the problems. If cost is a problem, one of you can purchase and then all of you can Xerox it, Is this, what I'm saying is making sense? Are you all following? So on your table, are you having reading material ready? Let us say auditing or law or taxation. Are you having past 4 exams, actual question papers? Revision test papers are different, and mock test papers. So, sometimes what happens, array, ferai reh gaya. That pinches, kabhi exam paper is not tough, but we are little like demotivated because एक chapter हमने अच्छे से नहीं किया. So I don't want you to go with any demotivation. You should be headstrong when you go to write professional exams. So what you can do is, last 4 attempts, what are the questions asked for FARA? If I'm saying you GAR, it is like write a short note on impermissible agreement. That same pointers are there. So just read it reverse way, that will work for theory. Another thing is, with stopwatch, listen and write down this technique also. For theory, make sure whatever you read in 1.5 hour, at least out of that, say suppose you have today decided to do all essay 500 series, sampling and written representation and all, then auditing is not my subject, but when I have studied like this, we are applying all this. So suppose for all the theory you have read, now in this theory related to this, pick up any of the suggested and one question may be there, write a short note on written representation or anything. Write only 10 minutes test and then immediately self-correct it. This is what I have written, 4 points. In institute, same points are written, but 5 points. So did I club 2 points? Can I write it better? Answer is yes. And I hope you all know you have to write with black ballpoint. So even in your theory answers, can you underline the clue words? And smart work, start the answer on the new page. And at least if you first impression is the best impression. So do start with question number 5 only. But when you start with question number 5, can you attempt B pehle attempt karo, A karo, fir C pe D, but all the bits of the question should be solved together. And very important, you must be already clear, but still a reminder, don't solve extra questions thinking 5 I have to do. No, I am doing 6. Whichever is best, they will give marks. No, please. Institute is going to correct only the first 5. They have clearly said, if you solve extra, the last question is not even going to be corrected. So no emotions over there, whichever is best. So these are some of the tricks I wanted to say for theory question. Now one very important question, very, very important, almost 80% of students are asking that how to keep up this motivation. How to keep up, you have to be in that only. Literally movie actors, they perform so well, that Baji Rao and I don't know which all movies came, that Telugu movie, Bahubali and all. Don't you think he was so much in that Bahubali as if he was really Bahubali? That strength, that attitude, that, headstrong that was seen. So are you really seeing yourself as a chartered accountant, as a professional student? Then first thing is, there are many final students also in this meet. So I am saying, can you take a Xerox of your inter result and put it in front of you? You were the one who got this inter. It's not very easy to clear CA inter. Those who are in CA inter, get your foundation result. Ma'am, Deepti ma'am, आपकी तरह मुझे भी 200 ही मिले. It's okay. Pass is pass, fail is fail. Anyone asking, अच्छा बेटा pass हो गए, कितने percentage आए? It's okay. You need not answer. You need not react. They don't know what is the game in CA. It's a game of pass and fail. It's not a game of percentage. 60% might be the rank holder. So are you going to do it? And please let me know, are these all insights helpful to you or not? Write it in your to-do list. You are going to take a Xerox of your past exams which you have cleared and going to paste it in front of you. And record in your own voice. Even if you talk about the practical topic, what I teach, like business head, all the expenses which are debited in the P&L account and not allowed, add it because they are disallowed, scratch like this. So whatever technique you have used it or you have learned it with teachers like me, with your theory teachers, record it in your own voice recorder. And while you are traveling, while you are waiting in your college, you wait in your college to go and write some exams and they make you wait more because आप CA कर रहे हैं ना, गुस्सा निकालते हैं, ऐसे सुना है students बोलते हैं ऐसा. Put the headphones and listen. Unless you don't have that madness, that aggressive attitude, you are not going to do it. मैम घर में सब इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स वही बोल रहे हैं कि उससे तो अच्छा इंजीनियरिंग करते. अरे you know yourself best. Even if you would have, you all have watched Three Idiots. Why I should say I'm just revising on this. Even if you would become engineer, you would not perform so well. CA में 4 की जगह 6 साल लगे, but then it is your passion. You are going to do super well in your job, in your profession, in your practice. After becoming CA, there are 110 options. I've made a separate video for that. What are the options in CA? It's not only practice and corporate. There are in-depth specializations. And you all are, most of you are in your 20s and 30s. अभी तो बहुत अच्छी लाइफ है ना, बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है. Right now with me are students who are great dancers, great singers. One of the student is doing so good that painting of all the tags and all. Continue करो, continue all your hobbies. मैम टाइम कहाँ है, करो, you can do it. I'm not asking you to do multitasking. वो नहीं करना, कान में बात करते करते काम वो मत करो. You do one after the another, but you can do it. When you spare 1 hour a week also for your hobby, you will be refreshed back to your study. Quality study, quality break. Quality study, quality break. लिखो, कहीं पे लिखो, compartmentalize yourself. And most of the students get demotivated and bogged down by atmosphere. Some of the mothers, they are really worried. They don't know, beta dono group likh hi lo na beta ye. So they are your well wishers. I am also a parent first, a mother first, and then a teacher. But they don't know what CA is. If you are clear, you explain them. Mama, this is it. This is it. You please just give best wishes to me. I will take care of the rest. You are a smart generation. You teach genuinely so much to your parents. And they are listening also. It's not that parents are not listening. And if they are not listening, then also you study because you are studying for yourself. You want to see yourself after 5 years with a degree, with a good life, with a knowledge, with a quality professional life. One of my students, he cleared now almost like 15 years are over, and he has traveled more than 37 countries. He's doing forensic audit. He gets security and amazing life. He's saying, I have done all the work. I have earned well and I can decide to retire by 55, 60 now. That's what he was saying. So there are, but वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए what he has done? You know, the first job he started was in after becoming a qualified CA in a CA's office from their corporate. My first job in the teaching was 3,000 per month. Can you believe? And then someone will say, Arey, better do some other work. Why you want to work for 3,000? But then teaching was my passion. I love to be with my students. And that same boss who paid me 3,000 check paid me 12,000 when all the evening students wanted to study in the morning. So you need to prove yourself to the society, to your neighbors, to your, मतलब prove मतलब रोज लड़ना नहीं है उनसे, बट आप करो बाद में से, हाँ बोला था भरत में ये कैलिबर है. You can do it, Murli. I knew it so well. Yes or no? So I hope I have answered most of your questions. You're not going to leave CA. Group 1 or group 2? Yeah, 1 or 2 students, frankly, I'm saying you have sent me your mark sheet. Ma'am, what we should do, and your marks are out of 200, 127. 133. I don't want to name anyone anything. 133. Yeah, if these are your marks, no, listen, dear students. Introspect करना जरूरी है. 1 घंटा literally ऐसे बैठ के सोचो कि what went wrong in exam. I know some of you have gone through very tough times in May, June. So first, a big clap and a big applause for all of you that you have written the attempt in July in spite of the lockdown and all. So now tell me, if you have got these marks 123, 127, then make sure you take required coaching. No crash courses don't work. कोचिंग लो कोई भी एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए, एटलीस्ट बी विद द टीचर एवरी डे एंड यू विल डू दैट सब्जेक्ट. If you have got 33 in costing, 37 in taxation, You need the coaching. Your material may be old, your pattern of study may be old, you need the coaching. So again, take a fresh material, fresh course and prepare. There is no other way. Don't go for crash courses, please. Crash courses are very good. Even I have taken so many courses at ICL, Lakri Couple crash course, regular batch crash course. Crash course, we give you all the concepts well when you have also studied. Then you enjoy the revision in the crash course. But with 37 marks, your concepts are not very clear. And if costing is not good, SCM is the trouble. If FM is not good, SFM is going to be a trouble. If direct taxation is not good, direct taxation international is going to be, and same for all the subjects. So are you again studying to get just 200 marks? No, dear students. Yeah, 5-10 minutes we will close. I was just putting an alarm, so it is telling me. So I hope I have given all the answers. So make sure that you are preparing very well. And एक बात ध्यान रखो, please give yourself liberty to go down sometimes. It's okay. वापस उठो, वापस करो. Ma'am, 5 days I woke up, I studied well. 6-7 day again something went wrong. Health issue, घर में function, दीदी का ये वो, and I missed. Okay, 3 days wasted. Now again pick up. Now again pick up. और ना चोरी करना सीखो. दीप्ति मैम चोरी करना भी सिखाते हैं. हाँ, I never talk all like this, but then it is very important. Steal the time. Steal the time. Wherever you get time, you need to study. And now coming to the last part, that is the planner. How do you plan your studies? Okay. So in a day, you can plan at least 3 subjects, 2 very good quality subjects. So suppose in accounts, if you are doing amalgamation, you can pick up in direct taxation, say return of income, PAN card. These are small topics, but the nice questions are asked. Like this, every day you do 3 subjects and learn how to do the 3D, 5D makeup of your answer sheet. I mean, say your notes and material. Easy, not to be seen. Now, when you are studying coming 1 month, 2 months, are you very clearly putting what you have to revise 1 day before the exam? It is very important. बहुत important है कि 1 day before exam आपको क्या पढ़ना है. तो वो अभी से मार्क के करके रखो. First question easy, second like first, third not to be seen, fourth one just see the third adjustment, fifth revise it because it's covering all the adjustments. Stick on लगाओ, कुछ marker से लिखो so that 1 day before the exam you revise all the booster notes, you revise all the gist and then dive into the chapters. And professional exams में however well you study, you need some balance of mind 1 day before the exam, in the gap, and you need some balance of mind in 3 hours of exam. So whatever you like, go for some kind of the spiritual meditation. It is very necessary. Art of Living, Sudarshan Kriya or Ramakrishna Math or Shivani or anyone, whatever you believe, but do spare time. That will give you कि आप एक बार पढ़ो और आपको याद हो जाएगा. Right? So I think we have covered almost all the questions. Anything else from your side? 2 seconds. I've just written in my mobile here, so I'm doing that. Yes. Do let me know if this talk was really helpful to all of you, whether you're watching it live or whether you're watching it as a video, or how are you going to apply these techniques. I hope you are clear how to prepare now theory topics. Give yourself 10 minutes test. And if 2-3 are studying in the group, okay? अब मिल नहीं रहे तो Zoom पे पढ़ लो साथ में. चलो, today we will do second chapter of auditing and ask questions to each other or write 10 minutes test. That will be helpful. And yes. For theory and all, very important, one more thing is buy a sketchbook. Seriously, I am saying this also works. And start writing your own notes, flowcharts, mind maps, whatever. It has really worked for final student. Any final student is saying, ma'am, give some ready notes. I just take direct taxation for final. So students say कि ma'am assessment procedure के लिए किसके लिए कुछ some notes दो. I will give you all the notes. I'll give you flow charts for equalization levy. But the best way to prepare for the exams, especially at the final level, is to make your own mind maps. जैसे बनाना है बनाओ. Business head, add, less, new adjustment, add it, match, minimum alternative tax. This is the way you have to do. So make your own notes in a sketchbook. That is going to be helpful to you. Okay. Do attempts matter or not? We have covered. Yeah. Are you clear now how you are going to study, and one day before the exam how you are going to do? Yes. Okay. So still there are other videos also in YouTube which are specific dealing with small topics. Wish you all the very best to all of you. You are lucky to be in a wonderful profession. Trust me, trust me. कोई market में saturation नहीं है कि ma'am CAs are not getting packages and all. Okay, tell me your caliber, your communication, your confidence. Are you having that professional approach? If yes, then you are going to do super well in your exam. Okay? Thank you so much for registering for this Zoom meet and attending with us. Wish you very all the best. Are you having any doubts still or any query which you have sent me and I have not cleared? Then make sure you again post it below the video or send me. I'll surely clear. And other than this, my next video is surely going to be for income tax because so many students are having doubts in unutilized basic exemption and all. So join any one of the group, whichever is comfortable to you, WhatsApp or Telegram. Ma'am, I am not on WhatsApp because I want to clear the exam. Very good. Do you have your mother's number on WhatsApp? Add her to the group. Only to the point answers. What doubts are there for the students and answers we are giving in the group. That is going to be very helpful. And for staying motivated, write nice vision board. Make with your photo and with your name, CA Deepti Chheda, and with your photo like this, put in front of yourself. Write nice words on your notice board. Strength. Just say these words. I'm just closing in 2 minutes. Bolo mere saath. Strength. Smile. Focus. Positivity. Confidence. Ambition. Attitude. I am bigger than my challenges. I can put all my challenges in box and sit on it. How are you feeling? When you say these words, literally say these words, strength, smile, focus. So you have these words around you and it makes a difference. See, when we go to any spiritual place, a meditation center, a mosque, gurudwara, church, temple, do we feel that peace? So that is in your atmosphere. You make your atmosphere. Your atmosphere, your environment is not. वो greater than sign सिखाया ना आपको, I उसके बाजू में greater than my environment लिखो और बोर्ड पे लगाओ और अच्छे बोर्ड के पिक्चर्स क्लिक करके send it below this video. Then I'll feel I have done some job worth it. I have given my suggestions with my experience, with my knowledge, and with the best what I understand. If your understanding is different, welcome please. Your views, or if you want me to correct anywhere, I'm always ready to take a two-way motivation from all of you. Thank you so much, all of you. Bye-bye. Have a lovely, amazing weekend. Bye.